You might be worried that someone will copy your name, so the name of your business. You might find that another business is appearing on Google, customers phone you, confusing you for the other business and vice versa. You might be concerned that somebody's used your images or has used your copyright without your permission. You might be concerned that your really good idea that you have spent a long time perfecting could easily be used by somebody else without your permission. Or you might be concerned that one of your staff members that's got a really good idea of the inner workings of your business, your know-how, and all of your key intellectual property, you might be worried that they could go off and join a competitive business. These are just a few examples of where intellectual property concerns can come in for a business owner. We're certainly seeing, more and more cases of, competitors or other businesses just behaving badly when it comes to copying other people's work. It's quite hard to recognise that somebody else is benefiting from your hard-earned work. So we're seeing quite a lot of that, particularly now that social media is very influential and the way that we're doing business remotely now is on the increase. We're seeing more examples of that because, quite frankly, it's easier to infringe somebody else's intellectual property online. Of course, the issue from a cost perspective is twofold, because it can go the other way. You might be inadvertently infringing somebody else's intellectual property. You might have accidentally used somebody's name, or you might have accidentally used an image on your website that you don't have the rights to. Regardless of what it is, if somebody's writing to you or getting in contact with you to make you aware that actually what you're doing is infringing on their rights, and they've got the ability to potentially take you to court if things get out of hand and you can't negotiate it, it can get very expensive and it can get really stressful, and it can be a massive inconvenience as well. And these things can be solved quite quickly.